Sangulan, Dumilang, Bonjour, Jaffa, my people, the command was tips for our cause. You think I'm you watching TV.
Marina! Press. Kung gamba sa matot. So shit luki lamre. So shit luki. Marina. Luki lil khwa.
Three things you don't know about my brother over here. One is that he's vegetarian, and he's been a vegetarian for over 10 years. Amazing, yeah.
What?
That's one for me.
You don't know about you.
Yes.
You can sing. How did it? What was that?
We've come close to dying together 3 times. If it wasn't for him, I would have been sitting here in front of you today. So I can say I owe you my life.
Whenever he goes home, he takes me. Yeah. Because I buy really nice clothes. And he's always just, this is nice, dog. Hey, when did you get this? It's gone.
Most of the time with my daughters, my fiance, as an actor in work, if I know that TV is 30 minutes of TV, but it takes me 12 hours to shoot, I would have said thank you very much. But yeah, it takes 12 hours to shoot what we do, so whenever I get a day off, I don't want anything more than to be with my kids.
Like I said, I'm still trying to get the music working, you know, I'm still trying to finish writing scripts, you know, and, like we do lots of other things when you're off. It's literally the opportunity of a lifetime, you know, you just need to try and fit in everything that you can in one day, you know, when you're off, because like, sometimes it's just literally one day that you're off, so
Like today.
you just try and do it all, you know, like, you know, so yeah, I try and do a lot.
90% is what I eat, and thanks to this brother over here. I used to think I can eat whatever I eat and as long as I'm cheap, I'll be fine. But I learned a lot of things from him in terms of it's 90% what you eat and 10% of the gym. But because again with 12 hours of sets, you can't always make it to the gym. So I travel around with the wheel in my bag with sets. So we grew up in karate before we knew our weights.
That's true.
So, I do go to a gym, but yes,